Chemical scientists are much like criminal investigators. They have to assume the role of detective in the search for answers. They collect and analyze data in order to draw the most reasonable conclusions about a chemical compound. Compounds are identified by examining the individual parts that make up the whole. Compounds have molecular formulas, which are the true formulas, and they also have empirical formulas, which are the simplest formulas. Empirical formulas are sometimes referred to as the simplest formula because they show the smallest ratio relationships between the individual atoms of the compound. Because empirical formulas show the smallest ratio, they're not necessarily the actual molecular formula. Glucose is an extremely important molecule for cellular respiration, and its molecular formula is C6H12